get a good feeling, yeah.
The faster we're falling, we're stopping and stalling, we're running in circles again. Just as things were looking up, said it wasn't good enough, but still we're trying one more time. Maybe we're just trying too hard, when really it's closer than it is too far. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under. 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 Instead of going under.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Seems like each time I'm with you I lose my mind, because I'm bending over backwards to relate. It's one thing to complain, but when you're driving me insane, well then I think it's time that we took a break.